Hey guys, YouTube family, I just wanted to show you this right here, this stack of envelopes here. Get ready to mail out. So nice little stack. When you join me with the unlimited $100 and $50 program, I'm going to show you exactly how I get targeted traffic requesting information on wanting more information. So when people get this, they watch a video of me showing the money that I'm making, showing them the letter. So when they request this letter in mail, they're targeted. They already know what they're getting. So I'm not like soliciting mail to them. It's not like, what is this? I'm not sure what this is. Put them in my mailbox. Put the flag up. All right. Well, I just wanted to make that quick short video for you to show you that it does work. So instead of me buying leads from a lead broker, and those people get junk mail all the time, I'm sure, we could take and do it the way I'm marketing this system. And when people watch, they opt in, they watch a short video, and I'm explaining them what's going on. And I say, you know, if you want to get a copy of this letter to join, just fill out the form below, and I get a list of addresses every day that I send out this message. And when people request more information, I send them the letter, and I have about a 4% response rate. So that's pretty good. Conversion rate, 4% conversion rate. All right, so if you have any questions about it, you like to get started with the program, just give me a shout, comment below, or send me an email. It's in the comment box below. Thanks.